In today's video, we're going to be looking at something pretty interesting and very useful. I'm very excited for this. What I have here is the HAUSHOF steam cleaner. Now, I did end up receiving this for review and testing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything that comes inside the box. I'm going to show you the setup and of course the use. Now, this steam cleaner comes with a 1.5 liter tank, 1500 watts power, and it is a multi-purpose cleaning device. You can end up using this with the floors, tiles, countertops, barbecue grills, cars, kids' toys, sinks, fabrics, and much more. Let's start with the unboxing first. Alright, so I have everything on the desk. Let's go over the items. Let's start with the main thing, which is the 1.5 liter tank. So let's remove the plastic. Of course, we do have the power cable. As you can tell, it does have a really nice handle here. And the handle itself locks into place. So once it's in this position, you can move it back. That's definitely a big plus. Then, of course, we do have the cable, 3 meters, which is around 9 feet. So pretty long cable. And then, of course, we do have the steam hose, which is pretty long as well. On this, we, of course, gonna be adding attachments. This is 2.5 feet. So if my math is correct, that's probably like 8 feet or something like that. All right, next we do have 2 of the extension tubes, pretty long length as well. Let's put that on the side. All right, quite a lot of stuff inside. All right, so the first one is the funnel. And then we have, I believe this is the nylon attachment. Then we do have a couple of the rubber gaskets. Another brush, this one is the stainless steel, so be careful with this one. Again, this could possibly be used maybe for a barbecue. And then we do have a little cloth. It looks kind of like a little cap, but I believe this is ironing towel. All right, so the next one is the measuring cup, which goes up to 400 milliliters. Floor brush connector, as you can see, there's the rubber piece. And then the other one is the nozzle. Quite a lot of attachments. I'm actually surprised with how many different things you get. And then, of course, we do have another box. So let's open this one up as well. And this will be the floor brush. I believe this is carpet glider. So if you want to use this on the carpet. And then, of course, we do get the towel for the floor brush. This is just going to attach to the bottom of this. It does have the little Velcro here. And then we do have the ironing brush, and I believe you're supposed to put this on top when you use it. Again, I'm going to go over the user manual. And then finally, we do have the attachment for the glass. You do have this rubber piece, so you can squeegee the windows and stuff like that. So you can end up using this on the glass as well. And then, of course, we do have the user manual, which, of course, I'm going to read through before the first time use. All right, next, let's go overview of the tank. So as I mentioned before, 1.5 liters. Now, when it comes to adding water, it does have the cap here. Now, the cap itself is pretty heavy, and it does have this metal nozzle. Because of all the steam, it needs to be metal. Now, when it comes to adding water, they definitely recommend adding between 0.5 to 1.2 liters. Even though this is 1.5 liter tank, definitely needs some space for the steam. Now, you already can see the handle, but on the bottom, there's actually wheels as well. So it does have 3 wheels. And it actually can spin around because this one actually spins, so you can move it left and right. And of course, you can go back and forth as well. Now, also on the front, we do have the indicator light. So once you plug it in, it will tell you when it's ready to go. Now, when it comes to the nozzle, we do have a few things going on. But as you can see, I already ended up attaching one of the attachments. So all you have to do is just press this, and this little thing will go down. Then you can remove it. Now to attach it again, all you have to do is just push it until it clicks into place. Now it does have the child lock on here. So right now as I'm pressing, it doesn't do anything. But if you press this and then press it again, then the steam will come out. All right, so here is how it looks once it is plugged in. It does have the big red light on the front. Once the water heats up, the light turns green and then it's ready to be used. Next to the power cable, there's a little red switch that you end up pressing to turn it on. Now in this example, I'm going to show you how to clean the stove top. Now as you can tell, my stove top is very dirty. I did not clean it for about 3-4 weeks because I wanted to test it with this steam cleaner. So here is a little bit of cleaning. I'm going to speed up the video as I go. So I ended up using the nozzle with the nylon brush. As I'm doing the steam, I'm also using the brush. Now this steam cleaner does have the 1500 heater, which produces high pressure steam up to 4 bars and a temperature of up to 226.4 Fahrenheit, which is also 105 Celsius. The high temperature and the pressure are effective for loosening dirt, grime, and grease. And this stovetop does have quite a lot of grease. And you can just see how effective this steam cleaner is. Keep in mind, I did not pour anything else. This is just water and the brush. Now in this next example, I'm going to show you how I was cleaning my floors. I do have the tiles in my kitchen. As I'm going left and right, I'm pulling on the hose and the water tank is moving quite nicely. Now with around 1.2 to 1.3 liters of water, it should give you around 45 minutes of continuous use. Overall, my first impression is quite positive. It does come with quite a lot of accessories for pretty much every cleaning occasion. Cleaning wise, it does an amazing job, and I gotta say, I'm super excited to end up using this more. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.